my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name's Chrissy and today I'm going to show you a few new items that I've had from Revolution. If you'd like to see what I've brought, please stay tuned. So I've got a few oldies and a few freebies. I've got something that I haven't even opened yet. It's just down in my bag. I've just been and fetched it. So this is just a mad rush of literally coming from work. I'm going to film it, edit it and put it up for you for tonight, which is Tuesday. So I'm not going to hang around and I'm not going to ramble on too much. So I'll show you what I brought first. Superdrug, I've still got the 3 for 2 on. But on last weekend they'd got on Revolution, they'd got a 3 for 2 and an extra 15% off, so I took advantage of that. I've been looking at these colour books. Since they came out. Now they're £15 normal. When this offer came up, I jumped at it, and so I think in the end I had them for £8.25, which bargain. That's from £15 to $8.25 is a bargain. And then I also had a free gift as well. So let's just open them. I had all of them. There's 5 in total. You've got the blues and greens, you've got the purples, then you've got the oranges, the browns and the blacks and greys. So literally these are absolutely amazing if you're just starting to buy palettes and you're not sure what you want to do. These have got everything. One side is a matte, one side is a shimmer, so you've not only got pretty much every colour that's available in the matte, you've also got, like I say, you've got the shimmer as well. Can't go wrong. They're all graduated as well. My friend had these and he said how absolutely fantastic they was, but he bought them as soon as they come out or came out. So if you give me 2 seconds, I'm fanning around trying to open these and talk to you because I'm just not organised at all today. I'm just going to do number 1 right the way through to 5. So this is number 1, which is the grey one. They are 48 shades, so I've had 48 shades for £8. I think £8, 25, 35. I will check. That obviously that is what the front looks like. I haven't got another sticker on them. No, luckily. So you've got the mattes, the one side, the shimmers that side, and then in between you've got this perspex plate, so you don't get powder in your mattes and your shimmers. I think that's a fantastic idea. So that's your grey one. I'll show you the matte side because it won't be as sparkly on the ring light. So that's the matte shades. Like you can see how they all graduate down from sort of white to black. So I'm looking forward to playing with these. When I'm going to play with them, I don't know. This is number 2. Those are your brown shades. Oh, this is going to be a knot. This ring light is a nightmare, I swear. So you've got there. I'll show you there. You've got the shimmers on that side. I'm liking this separator. That's a really good idea. And that is your matte shades. So again, they're just graduating from light to dark right the way through. This is colour book 3. So this is the oranges. And they are lovely palettes. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I'm just going to bring the mats up to show you. They're pretty. Look at that. That gorgeous. Look at these yellows again. Sunset Eyes galore, this one. That's the palette. Oh my goodness. Look at those. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Wow, they really are nice. I don't know what the formulation is going to be like, because I haven't even, as you've seen, I've only just opened them, so I haven't even tried them. And this one is number 5, which is the last one, and this is the green and blue. Oh wow! And that's what it looks like open. It's nothing I haven't got before, but as I've said, I wanted them all in one place. I love the idea of the mattes and shimmers in the same palette. Beautiful, really nice. So if you are interested, they're £15, but you can get 3 for 2. The 15% isn't on at the moment. Well, it isn't on anymore. So I got 3. As you can see, that's 5. So I had to top it up to have one more. So I got my 3 for 2. So I bought another teddy bear, because this is the only one I haven't got. This one is called, I know there's a name, Jet. I just call them Darth Vader one. So cute. They are a bit childish, I've got to admit, but the colours are nice. And you've got a mirror there, so I'm going to cover the mirror up just so you can see the colours. So only just to complete the set, because I've got the other 3 behind me there, so I can put the other one and complete the family. That was the 2 3 for 2s. Then, because I'd bought over £15, I think, of Revolution, I had another Stay Strong contour palette. I've showed this before, I'm sure I have. Let me have a look, see if I've got one open. I don't even know where to look. Oh! That was a good guess. So this one is, it's just your basic contour palette. Oh. So just your 4 shades, you've got your highlighter, your darker one and your 2 mediums. But they are very buttery. I'm sure if I don't use them, I'm sure somebody will. And now I think I've actually got 4 of these now, so I'm hoping that they're going to change the free gift. Do lots of those, because obviously there was 2 lots of 3 for 2. And that's my spare one. Then when I went in to pick them up, I saw this beauty. It's Revolution Pro. I wore a blue eyeliner the other day and I was quite impressed, but that was a Rimmel one. No, it wasn't, it was a Max Factor one, but I bought this one because look at the colour of that. I don't know whether it's going to be the same. That's the colour. So it's quite a nice blue. And these were, that was £3. That was the £3. Then I bought another skin finish. Well, I bought 2 skin finish. I bought the luminescence. If you haven't tried this, why not? It's amazing. And this one is the opalescent, which I think I've got before, but now I've got 2. So I had all of those for £6. I'm gonna dig into the bag here because I've actually this, as you can see, I haven't even opened this, I've just been and picked it up after work. So this was another 3 for 2. No, it wasn't, I'm telling lies. This was some of the new products from Revolution, and they was, oh God, I got another one. And there was some of the glass skin, or the mirror skin. So these were supposed to be £10 each, but they got the 15% off the Revolution products, so I had these for £8.50 each. So we've got look at the packaging on that. That's the black ice. This is the other one before I open them and show you. They are so holographic, it's crazy. This one's called Glass Mirror. Look at that, how beautiful is that? Can you see how raised it is? They've done something like this in Primark a while ago. I'm just going to get it. Well, I'll get it in a second once I've showed you what's inside the palette. Look. How gorgeous. They are something really nice and special. They're a lot more like showpieces. The first one I showed you was black ice. These are, let me have a look. Shadow palettes. How many's in there? 15 shades. Okay, so these are the same size as the Reloaded palette. Yeah, but they're £10. Obviously, you've got to take into account the packaging. This is the black ice one. Looks very nice. Got a nice mirror in it. Oh, that's the difference as well with the Reloaded. You haven't got a mirror because it is just your basic palette. But yeah, I'll just put one by it and show you. It is exactly the same. Exactly the same size as the Reloaded palettes. As soon as I said 15 shades, I thought, black ice, and this one is Glass Mirror. This is supposed to be the more shimmery one, I think. Oh, how beautiful. That's the outside packaging, as I've showed you before, and this, oh, look at those. Those are gorgeous. Those are really nice. As I said earlier, that I have got one from Primark. I had for a while ago now. Let's have a look. I know where it is exactly as extra as the Revolution one, but it was this. So it's the same type of effect. This is that one. That's the one from Primark. So I knew I'd seen the effect before. As soon as they brought it out, they also, in the range, they've got some highlighter drops, they've got some highlighters, primer, illuminating primer, they've got primer water, I think, and they've also got fixing spray. I think you can have 2 types. You can have just your normal fixing spray, but you can also have like a pearlescent fixing spray too, so you get that extra glitter on your finishing spray. Have I bought any more? I know I've bought loads more stuff, but whether it's Revolution or not is a different matter. I'm waiting for my limited edition glossy box to come. I'm waiting for it. I'm hoping it'll come before I finish this video, so I can actually put it up. It's an Elemis limited edition, so fingers crossed I can show you. If not, it'll be on my next one on Thursday. I need to get some sleek makeup out of Poundland as well. I don't know whether this is going to be any good for the colour wise. It might be a bit orange, but I managed to pick one of these up. This one's in VF04. This is Vitality Foundation, Of course, you know I've not got no glasses up here, and I did buy a pair of glasses to actually stay up here, and I don't know where they are. Told you I'm useless. Light to medium coverage, moisturising and oil free, so I'll give that a go and see what it's like. But Sleek are a lot more than £1. It's probably because it's an older foundation, or they've sort of repackaged, or they've sort of they've got a better sort of formulation now, so they're just selling the old ones off in Poundland. This is not beauty related, makeup related at all, but do you guys ever go to Savers? For the coffee drinkers amongst us, this is usually in between £4 and £6 in Asda. In Savers, this is £2.89 for, it's a 200 gram. Yeah, it's 200 gram. I've been having it for years. But if you drink coffee, fantastic. It's just your original Nescafe. So I bought 5 or 6 of those. This was donuts and ice cream, so I thought I'd try that. I haven't even tried it. I love the foam burst, but I hadn't seen the donuts and ice cream before, so I've picked one of those up. This is turning into a really random video. I'm really sorry. And these, it's cold, guys. It's cold. These are amazing. These are from Home Bargains. They are the heat wraps. They're you put them in the microwave, I think up to a couple of minutes, and they're lavender filled, and so they just keep you warm, like I said, especially in this cold weather now. They're nice just to pop in your lap, or if you've got a tummy ache, you can pop them on your tummy. These, I like these because they've got like the extra bit of fleece on. So they're £2. So you can put them in the microwave up to 1000 watts, 60 seconds. So yeah, so you can sort of wrap them around your neck if you need to, or anything. But oh, they smell beautiful, lavender, and it obviously lavender's really relaxing. But yeah, you can reheat them, so they're nice. Just like I say, just for this time of year, especially if you're sort of sitting at home and you don't want to get the heating on. I'm terrible for that. I'll sit in my pyjamas rather than put the heating on. That is that. Guys, my parcel hasn't come, so I'm going to actually leave it till Thursday, so I'll upload it with Thursday's collection video. I'm actually doing the Revolution Pro Regeneration collection, so if you'd like to see that, don't forget to stay with me and tune in on Thursday. But before you go, don't forget to leave us a like, and if it's something that you'd like to watch in the future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would be amazing. So I'll see you on Thursday, guys. I love you loads. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.